Hi everyone, my name is Karin Dwi Suara. Today I would like to presentation an article review entitled Big Data Analytics in Decision Support System. This presentation will be live discuss the background, objective, methodology, and main finding of the article. Okay, let's go straight to my slide. Getting the data-driven landscape. This presentation delves into an insightful article, Big Data Analytics and Decision Support System. The core discussion revolves around the transformative role of big data analytics in defining and executing decision-making process. In an era where organizations increasingly rely on data for static quiz, understanding the synergy is paramount. We will explore the article background, objective, methodology, finding, and a balanced curriculum of its strength and weakness, counting with a personal perspective. Organizes why big data analysis matters. The first, data overload. Organizations grapple with immense, imperative, and variance dataset, complicating accurate decision making. Next, ultimately solution. Big data analysis emerged as a current solution formatting to improve decision quality, speed, and precision. 3. DSS, Diminution Transpersonal Decision Support System, fact integrate content in efficiently promoting and integrating big data. 4. Integrative Informative, the study underscores the critical need to seamlessly integrate big data analytics into decision support system. Underlining the research paths. 1. Core objective. To methodically analyze the operational role of big data analytics within decision support system. 2. Identifying benefit. To pinpoint and attribute the tangible benefit organization can reap from this integration. 3. Equating support. To explain the price mission taught this big data analytic for phase decision making. And enhancing understand the study efforts to deepen comprehension of data-driven decision support. The blueprint research methodology. The scholarly investigation adopt a qualitative research approach, focusing on in-depth understanding greater than numerical measurement. The primitive research methodology approach is a comprehensive literature review and conceptual analysis. This involves a meticulous examination of existing scholarly work to synthesis, key ideas, and framing words. Data sources. The first, academic journalists specializing in big data and decision screens. 2. Prior research and foundational text on big data analytics, and this is the analytical process entails systematically reviewing and synthesizing these diverse studies to extract relevant insights and construct a coherent understanding of the subject. Next slide. In monitoring insight, key research finding. The first, essential equity big data analytics profoundly boosts decision accuracy and operational efficiency. Next, intelligent DSS, integration transformative into more effective and intelligent system. Next, predictive power analytics, empower organization to predict future trends and this current hidden predators. Next, strategic direction, the capacity direct super robust strategic decision making. Next slide. Article structures, a solid foundation. The article senses in the importance of a highly resolution and comprehensive topic addressing the pressing need for data-driven insight in today's business landscape. It adeptly communicates as complex concepts with clarity and systematic presentation, making it accessible to a broad audience. The theoretical robustness. The first provides a strong theoretical backbone for big data analytics. Next, establishes a solid framework for decision support system. This comprehensive theoretical grounding makes the article an invaluable reference for students, research, and practitioners alike, furthering deeper understanding and gaining future inquiry. Areas for Ground's article weaknesses. The first, conceptual focus. The study is prominently conceptual, presenting the theoretical intake without the backing of empirical data. Next, implementation gap, where is the integrable limited definition of the practical challenge and knowledge during real-world implementation. Next, practical applicability, the option of isolation case studies may dimension implementable applicability for organization. Next, may take a valuable contribution. In my considered opinions, this article stands as highly relevant and incredible contribution to the field of decision support system. It carefully illuminates how big data analytics serve as fully answer for sophisticated decision-making process, while inspiringly cited for academic interaction and foundational learning, and believe future research could significant benefit from the first and confronting result to validate the strategical construct. Next, creating real-world organization case study to break theory and narrative. Next, concluding thoughts. The future of decision making. The first, strategic importance. The article eventually underscores the critical importance of big data analytics in modern decision support system. Next, valuable insight. Despite certain conceptual limitation, it offers profound and actionable insight for data-driven decision making. Next, future discussion. It paves the way the future exploration, comprising the next for critical validation in the real-world scenario. In conclusion, this article explains the importance of big data analytics and decision support system. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.